Hey guys, this is Jerry with yet another video. In this video I'll show you how to actually mod GTA V with Redux. The Redux mod actually completely overhauls your visual and realistic experience within the game. Whether you're swimming, driving or flying or shooting or whatever you might be doing, and it completely overhauls the visual experience as well with the 4K texture. It would be awesome, right? And textures look absolutely awesome with this Redux mod. So there are several other modes as well to change the visual and realism experience within the game, but instead of installing these individual mods, you can actually go for this Redux mod because it completely changes overall experience as you play the game. So in this video I'll show you how to install. To install this mod you need four things. One is this OpenIV. This application actually lets you open some compressed folders within the game folder. Then the next one is Script Hook V, so native trainer plus native trainer. This one actually lets you load some mod scripts that you install on your GTA V folder. Okay. Then the next one is GTA V Redux Mod. So here you can actually download the latest version of GTA V Redux. That's version 1.9, and it comes in zip or as a torrent file. You can actually download it from here. I have put the link in the description. You need to download this application as well, that's ReShade. And with this ReShade, once you install Redux, you can actually try different presets, and I'll show you how to install all this. First you need to download OpenIV and install it. Installation of this OpenIV is pretty straightforward. Download it, double tap, click next, accept the agreements and terms, then install it. You can actually change the default location, so install it on the default location, then close it. Once you've done that, you need to install Script Hook V. So to install Script Hook V, just go to that folder here, Script Hook V, and you need to copy these three files to the GTA V folder. If you don't know where the GTA V folder is, if you are on Steam, just go to your GTA V library and choose the right click on the game and go to properties, go to local files and click browse local files. Then you will be taken to that particular folder. Here you can see that Steam libraries, Steam apps, common. It's on my external hard drive. So in your case, that may be in your C drive, somewhere like you should see something like Steam library within the program folder. Then go to Steam apps and common, and you should see this GTA V folder in there. So when it comes to Epic Games, you should see Epic Games folder in the program folder or wherever you have installed, and you should see this GTA V folder in there. So in my case, I have installed GTA V from Epic Games, so I have installed it. So Multimedia and Epic Games GTA V, and here you can see that. Just open the Script Hook V zip folder, just copy it and just paste it here. That's it. Then I have already installed it. That's it. Then close it. The next one is just launch. Once you have installed the OpenIV, just launch OpenIV, and you have several options here. Go for Grand Theft Auto 5 Windows. But as you launch for the first time, you will have to locate the folder on this OpenIV window. So it needs to know where you have actually installed GTA V. As I told you, if you're on Steam, locate the folder that you have installed the GTA V, or if you're on Epic, go to Epic Library, click the browse file, then go to Epic Library and locate the folder. That's it. Once you locate it, it will load the folder and files within that folder. Then after that, go to that particular folder that you have installed GTA V. In my case, that's in Multimedia and Epic Games GTA V, and create a new folder called Mods. And here you can see that I have created mods. Then after that, copy this update folder to this mods folder, so that if you make some mistakes and if you throw some errors, you can just delete everything in this folder and you can load the game without any problems. So make sure you just you don't necessarily need to create this mods folder. It's to make sure it doesn't cause any error in the future. So anything goes wrong, you can just delete this mods folder and you can play the game again without any problem with its usual default settings. So just copy this update folder to mods folder and you can see this update folder there. Then once you're there, just go to OpenIV, then go to tools and install ASI manager. And here I have already installed these two major applications like ASI loader and OpenIV.asi. You need to install these two scripts. You don't necessarily need to install this open camera. That's it. Then close it, and after that go to the folder that you have downloaded the GTA V Redux, and it comes in zip folder. Then extract it and you have these two files. One is this GTA V Redux 1.9 OIV file, and there is this GTA V Redux ReShade that we will use it with ReShade setup that we have downloaded. Okay, then after that go to tools and package installer and choose GTA V Redux.oiv file, then click open. Make sure you have enough storage on the drive you have installed GTA V, because Redux actually requires extra 30 gigabytes of storage, otherwise you won't be able to do that. And also you are copying this update folder to this mods folder. It means that there are two updates folders within this GTA folder, so it means extra storage. So once you are on this GTA V Redux installation window, click the install button, then choose the mods folder and click install, confirm installation. It'll actually take several minutes to install GTA V Redux, so just wait, let it install. Once you install, then it'll actually show you launch GTA V button, and you can actually launch the application within this installation window. So if everything goes as planned, you should see this Redux intro as you start GTA V. So sometimes as you try to load GTA V with this Redux mod, sometimes you would end up getting some error like corrupt game data. Maybe it's due to while installing this Redux, the file got corrupted, or because of the lack of storage, it didn't rightly install some of the files. You continued the same installation, so it didn't actually install it right. So maybe that's the reason. In that case, what you needed to do is just go to that particular folder that you have installed Redux. In my case, that's Epic Games and GTA V and mods, and here you can see all these new files. You need to delete this file and start over the installation, then things should be fine. And if you can't still get it fixed, maybe you should try reinstalling Script Hook V. Then you need to download the latest version of the Script Hook V and delete the Script Hook V that you have already installed, Script Hook V files, then reinstall these files. Just copy the files from the zip folder, paste it in this GTA V folder, and try launching the game. So you have already installed the Redux, and up next is this ReShade filter that you have downloaded. You need to download it from the link in the description. Once you download it, double tap this ReShade.exe, launch it, and browse the GTA.exe file from the GTA V folder. And here Epic Games, GTA V, and here you can see GTA V.exe. Then open it and go for the legacy standard filters that you want to add to. You can go for some others as well if you want to install them. Then click OK. Then it'll actually prompt you to go for some to select some extra options. Just click OK. Then once again it'll show you. Then click OK. You don't need to do anything. And once again, and click OK. Then just close it. Once you install ReShade.exe, go to GTA V Redux ReShade folder and copy all these scripts. Then go to the GTA folder and paste it. And launch the game. And you have this option. You can see that at the top of this window there, you can see that ReShade is installed. Click the home button and you get this new window here. You can actually there is a small tutorial. If you want to, you can go through that tutorial and try different filters. You don't actually need to install ReShade filters, but if you want to try different filters, it's great. It actually gives you lots of filters and you might find the right one within this filter, but even without this ReShade filters, you can actually run Redux Mod. Then go to the graphic settings and set everything to its max, like very high, ultra settings, almost everything, so that you get the best out of this Redux Mod. And here you can actually access this ReShade filter within the game and try different filters. There are several filters. You can actually install even more if you want using the same tool later on. You can also adjust the filters that already exist. You can change some preferences and save it. And if you want to create a new filter, just click that plus button and create a new one.
That's art right there.
Thanks.
Hi. How's it going?
So that's it, guys. I hope this helps. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and thanks for